Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Girlygirl Wigs. First time trying them out. Yeah, that's the packaging. Pretty small box. Been a while since I gotten a box this small. But all that is in the box is really the wig and wig cap. So not much in this package today. So this hair video is actually like, I believe they have this for their Halloween sale. This one that would be suitable for like a costume. It's just a bang wig, so it doesn't have like a lace portion or anything. As you can see, it's just bang. It's literally just a bang wig. It has adjustable straps in the back here, so you can make it tighter. It has two combs, just two combs, one in the back, one in the front. Pretty simple and to the point. And then it has this bang. It's this cranberry color. It's really pretty, very silky, very smooth. So I love the feel of that. The hair length and everything, all the specifications, I'm going to put it in my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check that out for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and slip this on. As you can see, I didn't even like, I just put the wig cap right over my hairline. You know, like if you have that nice like schoolgirl fit, or which one of them outfit they?
They're my friend's schoolgirl.
But like this is red. That's the only difference. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it, so it has more of that, like, you know, nice straight flow. So I'm just gonna go through it with my flat iron, get it really nice, straight and laid.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. Ooh, I'm not above it. Let me be myself.
Ooh, guys, I'm not gonna lie, this flat iron is nice. It's the Kiposi. Remember I showed you guys in a previous video? Yeah.
You have to insert that video.
Oh really? There's a mean video?
Yeah.
That's so nice. Girlygirl Wigs.
Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
You know, says that nice little wig.
Is that
It's that nice little wig, you know?
Let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. I'm not above it.
guys just came together. You know what I mean? Where one bang wig looks up. Guys, this bang reminds me of like a couple years ago when I cut my real hair, when I used to relax my hair in a bang. Like, look at that movement. It's so nice, guys. Like, it's lit. The quality feels really good. Like, honestly, you don't have to only wear this for Halloween if you don't want to, know. At first, it was definitely giving me the costumey vibe. But you can wear this pretty much at any time that you want. I kind of, you know, just separated the bang a little bit. So, I didn't have that, like, super full look. Kind of just give it that, break it up and give it that fringed look. Yeah. But, like, the flat iron did its job. It really did. Like, look at that movement. Oh, by the way, guys, don't judge me. I repeat my clothes. I had on this shirt in a previous video. Yes, but it's clean. So, just putting that out there. So, I feel like you can definitely go ahead, dress it up, wear it to a Halloween party, go to the club in it. You can go have lunch, go to dinner, go out with your girls. The quality and everything feels so good. It really does. Like, it is laying. Look at that. So nice. I love it. Quality is really good. I'm going to go ahead and put all the specifications to this wig down below in my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you're interested. Yeah, I know I'm super late with this like upload saying it's a Halloween wig because what, it's October is almost over. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think. I'm going to put all the information down below, and go ahead and give this video a thumb up. And yeah, that's it. I love it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, I'm a girl Petite. Bye.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way.